Today we're talking about rockets. Did you get it? All right, so we're gonna talk a little bit about bottle rockets and rockets today. Before everything went into lockdown, our geniuses down in the physics machine shop created this little setup. It's got a valve here that we can attach to just a bike pump. Is this pin that sits over top of the bottle, over top of the lip there, right around the edge. When you pull that out, all the built up pressure lets it shoot up into the air. So I don't know if this is actually going to get any air in it or not. It actually worked. Okay. All right. So, we're gonna do a couple more of these. Change the trajectory maybe. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. We'll go back to where you were. Right there. No, it's still there. Just let it shoot right at the camera.
No, it'll hit me.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does. You have to promote safety.
Safety. See how much pumps? Like 11 or 12 maybe?
13.
Oh, okay, there you go. All right, so what we've done is we've created a pressurized canister. Pumping the bike pump has allowed us to put pressure inside of here. It's just air inside of our 2-liter bottle. When we pull the pin, it releases the bottle and uses that air pressure to shoot itself way up. Now, I want this to go higher. I'm gonna fill this partially with water and then we're gonna see what happens. So I don't know.
Action.
I don't know how waterproof this system is. So I guess we'll just find out, eh? Might have to go get more water. Look, I'm not a water pouringologist, all right? Oh, it's holding water. Nice. All right, that's way better than I thought it was gonna be already. All right, here we go. I'm gonna pump this up. Same 13 pumps as we had before. Oh no. Okay, that works apparently. So, as you notice, when you fill it with water, it shoots way higher. So there's a couple reasons why this happens, and my question to you is, why does it shoot up so much higher even with less pumps when we have a very small amount of water in it compared to before? Put your answers in the comment section and we'll talk about it a little bit tomorrow with a follow-up. Wow, that really shot up there, huh?